All of this. Do all of this in less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes. The only thing that might give me a little problem is the
lashes.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that first.
No, you can't do it first.
Why not? That's gonna take me the longest. Why wouldn't I do that first?
Because it's a process to it, babe. So like you can't put that on before the eyeshadow, because then eyeshadow will get all along the eyelash and it won't be blended right. You can't get all the way to the lash line.
Well, let me do this. And then
Okay.
show you.
Oh, okay, because you're the pro.
Yeah.
Okay. So, hi guys, it's your favorite girl, O to the Z to the O to the Z to the, it's your girl Oz. Yes it is, with another video, and today I wanted to do something a little fun, a little different. I'm gonna introduce my special guest. This is my boyfriend Marco. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi, guys.
And today I wanted to do something, just more fun, but he always complains about me taking too long to get ready. So today's video is gonna be, really? You're just gonna be playing with makeup?
Go ahead, man.
Today's
vlog right now.
Oh my God.
Let's move this along.
Wait, I have to finish talking to them. So today's video, okay, if you haven't noticed, half of my face is already done, okay? And I'm going to walk Marco through step by step, kind of, on doing my other side of my face. So today is my boyfriend does my makeup challenge. Okay, so first, baby, you have to put my foundation on. That's a concealer.
It's the same color.
No, it's not. It's lighter than the foundation.
No, right here, I'm just gonna let me do me. I see you every day do this. Pretty positive. Let me see your hand.
Put it on your hand. You're the artist.
Just put your hand right there.
Why are you using my hand? Baby, oh my God. You pumped it like 5 times. This is enough for like 3 people's face. And wait. Okay, so you're supposed to wet the beauty blender. This is a dry beauty blender. If you go and put it, it's not, but go ahead. Go ahead. My hair. Shiny nose. Oh my God.
Okay, if I turn the chair, you turn with the chair. Don't move your head, you turn with the chair.
Okay.
That's right.
We ain't gotta practice, come on. You can't turn me all the way away from the camera though. Like you
the
turn.
camera still sees you. Look.
Yeah. Baby, the camera see the back of my head now. Why are you looking like that?
You're trying to hint to me where I should go with this, and I'm not getting that hint. I feel. So I'm just gonna go with it.
I'm not trying to hint anything. You say you see me do this all the time. Maybe this is highlight, not contour.
What? So what's this do?
This is the concealer, it's the highlight. I put under my eye, not the sir. Why would you put it light skin, lighter on the top of my forehead?
We're gonna blend it all together. I was good in art class. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Yeah, he looked alright. Remember, I had a lot of stuff on earlier. Look at me. Look that way, just look away from me. Yeah. Oh yeah, we good, we Gucci. Everything flows.
You know, what are you doing? What is that spinning motion with the blender? Like,
Get it all in the cracks. Yeah, you look even.
I look even.
Really
I can't look even when you highlight the top of my forehead.
even.
I need a mirror.
Steven. Even Steven. Yeah. Yeah.
It doesn't look horrible. Okay, so you did the concealer. Now you have to. You're gonna. Well, we could do the brows next.
Okay. What does that consist of?
So you're gonna get that, the Anastasia dip brow, yes, and you're gonna grab this brush right here. This is the brow brush. Yeah, don't try to scoop it out. Like think of it as like paint.
I'm painting right now. I don't know about the paint.
That was one.
That's all I needed.
Is that? Did you do the arch or is that just a straight line? Yeah.
Yeah, it's bam. I went with the you in there.
How did you do that in one swipe? How much makeup did you put on my brush?
But it matched though.
That does not match, babe. Guys, these
Let's
brows
see.
match. I just want to know. Yep. Oh, you do? Okay. 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 All right, good job, honey. So, next, you keep using my hand as a palette. I'm trying to help them out, so I'm going to use Danessa Meyer's Color Fix. It's a cream color, so you can use it for like anything. And that brush is way too big for my eye.
You just told me.
I did not tell
over
you.
here
I did not
that
say
you-
that was the brush.
That's why it's already purple.
No, that's just the color of the bristles, babe.
Can we take some of my brows off?
Oh. Oh, now you want to take my eyebrows off.
Just look out there. I want to fix a little spit.
What?
I'm just playing. Cat, I have paper towels over here.
No, you can't just wipe it. You have to.
It's okay.
Wait.
We'll go
Yeah.
around it. We'll go around it.
Okay, so listen, be careful with this eyeshadow. You gotta put it on my eyelid first and then blend it up.
You gotta close your eyes.
Okay. Make sure. You gotta get, wait! You gotta use your fingers. Oh. That's another way of blending. Use your hands. Use the tools that God gave you. Do you actually get my eyelid? Yeah, you gotta make sure you get like close to the lash line too. What are you? Oh, Jesus. So, you see how my...
We on a good roll here. Come on.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So look. Why don't you, baby? You gotta put it like on. This is my lid. So that's like the crease. This the. Look, baby, you out of product now. Like you know, there's nothing else on the brush. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Don't be real careful with that because you put a lot on there.
Ooh, I messed up. I messed up bad. How do I take it off?
That's not my eye. That's not cleaner. That's for setting spray. Because there's layers. It's layers. Remember you put concealer and foundation there? Fix it in the water.
Fix it.
Oh God. Right, you gonna wipe it all off?
Not it was too dark. Are we good now? We good. Hold on. Take this from earlier. Pop, pop, pop.
It's a lot of foundation.
Get you back in the game.
Mhm.
That mistaken.
Okay, for the cover up. Okay, for the cover up.
What's next?
Fix that. That brow though is, she's interesting.
She's one swoop. Did it with one. Alright, next.
High five, baby. Okay, so next you can contour my face because that's what you were trying to do before. Okay, you were highlighting. So this time you're gonna contour. No, that the concealer was highlight. You're gonna do my cheeks, contour it with the contour palette from Black Radiance.
Shout out to Black Radiance. You know what it is?
And here, use this. You're gonna use this black brush and use the middle color, and you're gonna contour my cheek line. You know how I like sculpt that when I be like doing that on my cheek? That's what you gotta do.
You make a stronger cheekbone. I want to get the whole ankle.
Okay. Happy? Happy, guys? She's contoured. To the... Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, babe. So now you're gonna highlight me. And we're gonna use, yeah. So we're using a loose powder highlighter. And baby... You better not blow that on me. So you want to maybe use a little more control with it, like this brush. Okay?
I'm doing the lines.
Yeah, like you know how I hit the top of my cheekbone. You see this? Look, babe. You see that? Y'all see that? That glow? You see that glow? Okay, you're gonna do that on this side.
I gotta fix it. I gotta fix it.
What is with you in this towel? I am not a cabinet. You can't just wipe me off and clean me.
Hot tonight again.
Oh God. Oh my God, babe. This is not.
That's the start over. It's the start over thing.
No, it's baby, you can't just put foundation on type of things. It's not a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Like, that's not how it works.
I just did it. I just made it work.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, he made it work.
I made it work. I make something out of nothing. If you AC fix, I can do that.
Because that's what he's good at, honey. Obviously, he's not good at this.
What's next? I feel like I feel like you got hit in the eye, so can we do something to spruce that up?
Yeah, I'm really afraid for you to put my lash on, but that's what you're going to do.
I do.
Oh,
How
God.
much a little pink dot?
Oh, yeah. So, if you see, I highlighted my inner tear duct with the iridescent pink. I'm scared. For him to put anything in my tear duct.
Do you have some tweezers?
Tweezers. Oh, but you can't do it all at the same time. So put the glue down. That's what you do. You put the glue down, okay? And you're gonna take a little bit of this. Just a tiny little bit. That's all you need, okay? And get a small brush. Get like a small little brush. No, that's an eyebrow brush. Here. Okay?
For the dry.
Oh, not the scribble. Wait. Did you just put it in my eyebrow? Where is this going?
Copying yours.
Okay. Why are we going all the way over there? Why?
Hey, we're working on something. We're working with a masterpiece. You can go to the club right now. And you'll come right back home to me, baby. It's cool.
Okay, here's the lash. So let me at least put the glue on it.
I got this.
Oh God, he's gonna ruin the lashes. He's gonna.
Is that what you be doing?
Babe. Okay, spread.
That's what I'm
Yeah, spread all that glue. Right, you're gonna wait like count a couple of seconds so it can get sticky and you don't blind me with all that extra glue in my eye. Get a red idea, right?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, we're ready.
Bam.
Bam.
Like that.
Like that.
Let me see. See, this was 5 minutes in the
No. First of all, it wasn't 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, 3.
Oh boy, your sense of time is completely wrong.
Is that everything? Oh, you gotta paint something else. What's wrong? Let's see. That rose up a little bit.
Somebody rose up.
Came back like you eat.
Oh, you got jokes.
Okay. So, now what I gotta do? Oh, I gotta make a little stripe over here. Just a little striper.
Yeah, we're supposed to kind of do the eyeliner first. I don't know where you're gonna put the eyeliner at now, since the eyeliner goes on
We just gotta make a stripe, that's all.
a stripe. It's not a stripe.
That, okay.
It's not what you call it. It's supposed to be on my lash line, and my lash is not even on my lash line.
We're gonna pretend that it is though.
But oh my God. So the wing goes like this, and his wing went like that.
Well, I can't erase that one, so we just gotta put some sunglasses on.
Alright. What? Wait a minute.
What we're gonna do is, okay, just put some lipstick on, you good to go out the house.
So after all of that, you just gonna cover it up. That's how you fix it.
That's how you fix everything.
No, it's not how you fix anything.
It's just clean me up. That's $55.
Oh, you're gonna charge me?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay, guys. That was a great video. If I don't even know what to say.
I think you look amazing, honey.
Thank you.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
I can't even tell what side I did.
I guess he's done. I'm gonna say goodbye for him too. And
Hey guys.
catch you next time. I'm gonna go wash my face now. At least I can snatch my lash off because it wasn't attached to anything.